In the UK, driving licenses are issued by the Driver and Vehicle Licensing Agency, DVLA. To obtain a driving license, you need to meet certain criteria, including being at least 17 years old for cars and motorcycles, and 21 years old for larger vehicles. The process of obtaining a UK driving license involves several steps. First, you need to apply for a provisional driving license, which you can do online or by completing a D1 application form from the post office. Once you have your provisional license, you can start learning to drive. It is advisable to take professional driving lessons from a qualified instructor, although you can also learn with the help of friends or family members. To progress towards a full driving license, you need to pass a theory test and a practical driving test. The theory test consists of multiple choice questions and a hazard perception test. The practical driving test assesses your ability to drive safely in various road and traffic conditions. If you pass both tests, you will be issued a full driving license. This license allows you to drive on public roads in the UK, but there may be certain restrictions for new drivers, such as a probationary period or limitations on the number of passengers. It is important to note that UK driving licenses are valid for 10 years and need to be renewed before they expire. You can renew your driving license online or by completing a D798 form from the post office. In addition to the standard driving license, there are also different categories of licenses for specific vehicles, such as motorcycles, buses, and trucks. These require additional tests and qualifications. It is essential to always carry your driving license while driving and to adhere to the rules and regulations of the road. Violations can result in penalties, fines, or even the revocation of your driving license. For more detailed information about UK driving licenses, you can visit the official website of the DVLA or consult the Highway Code, which provides comprehensive guidelines for safe and responsible driving in the UK.